Hello, my Hexy cans. It's David Wynn, August University here. Today we're going to talk about Hex, what's happening, and what's my strategy going forward with Hex, Pulse Chain, and everything in between. It's been a week since Richard Hart has gone on a video. So, I'm excited for when he goes on the next live stream. I'm excited to see everything that's getting updated on Pulse Chain. But for now, let's get to this song. Just hurt. Jim Hart. This music video is amazing, guys. The Richard Hart dance moves. Whenever I'm feeling down a little bit, I throw the video on. Anything with Richard Hart dance moves. Let's get it. Checking my MetaMask moving. Looking at Hex is moving. Looking at why they be choosing. Peter is why they be losing. Pro chains out and gave me a check. He's gas up and it got me a mess. Remember the times he died collect. Hex I'm eating, I'm dying in the best. Getting this back like a year ago. Getting this pump and let go. Stop running around the Lego. Getting this back like a year ago. Getting this pump and let go. Stop running around the Lego. Comment below if you guys were one of the early adopters of Hex. I didn't get into Hex until late last year. So glad that I got in on Hex. So glad that I became a Hexy can, not a Hexy can't. Super excited, moving forward. It's my second biggest asset in my portfolio, soon to be my first. And I'm excited about Pulse Chain and Hex. Let's get back to the song. Confessing all the bread like I'm Richard Hart. Got paid on big payday and I had a hit restart. Now I'm checking on my pulse just to check my heart. That dance move though. From the fucking start. Sacrificing all the bread like I'm Richard Hart. Got paid on big payday and I had a hit restart. Now I'm checking on my pulse just to check my heart. Richard Hart. Richard Hart. I think we're a little bit more than 18 cents, guys. We're a little bit more than 18 cents right now. So yeah, I just wanted to hype you guys up a little bit with the music video. I actually was talking to the creator of that music video. I think we might get him on my channel for a podcast episode. Talk a little bit about Hex. Yeah, so I think that'd be exciting. So look out for that very soon, hopefully. Just trying to connect with them. That being said, let's see what's going on with Hex today. Also, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you didn't already do so. We just hit 3K subscribers, which I'm truly excited about. Appreciate you guys checking out my content here as we progress together in this community. Now, if you're looking at the numbers here, Hex, we're at 0.42% within the last day. Okay, so nothing crazy has been happening. What I do like to see is Bitcoin is up 3.32%. Ethereum's up 5.38%. So we had a little bit of crap on the weekend, took down some numbers. Hex went down a little bit as well. So we are recovering overall. I think that even though Hex is on its own page when it comes to progression and movement and the price, I still think that a strong cryptocurrency market is important for us to continue to move upwards, just so Hex can compare to other cryptos as well and say how much better we are when it comes to gains, right? If the whole market's crashed and down and Hex is only moving upwards, yeah, it'd be nice, but I'd like to kind of still see the market move forward in a bullish trend, right? So Bitcoin's up 3.35, Ethereum about 5.37, Hex kind of going sideways a little bit right now. Cardano's up 6.69. Everything's kind of moving upward, which is great, which means we didn't have a huge market crash. Now, if you look at Trading View here, this is the 4-hour chart. I have Lux Algo signals on here, and it's actually saying that at this point was a strong sell-off. So we did see some people sell off here, and it hasn't flipped to bullish yet in the 4-hour. In the 1-hour chart, it has moved to the buy signal, right? Which is great. Now on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin and Ethereum, we are actually at a point where it says to buy. So based on the algorithms, we're getting buy pressure right now, and it's a good recommendation for buy on a 4-hour chart. Ethereum, I believe the same. So that trend is going upwards, and I think that's overall good for us Hexicans, because we don't want to be the only one, doing our own thing. Yes, I believe that it's important that as a community we dominate for sure, and typically we go up when everyone else goes down, but we don't want to see the whole crypto space go down fully, because it is going to affect us, right? Let's just be honest. I think right now, where we are right now, we're at about 39 cents, guys, almost 40 cents. All-time high was around 53 cents, or 53, 50, about 50 cents basically. And I think we will return there very shortly. I think we'll see some momentum very soon, especially when Richard announced some big announcements from Pulse Chain, what's going on with the fork, etc. But yeah, it's just a waiting game, really. Now, if you guys managed to get some more Hex, I managed to get some Hex over the last few days by dollar cost averaging in, while gas fees were really cheap. Now they're back up double. So I looked today, I think gas fees are around $60, $60, $70 compared to like the $30 I was able to get a couple days ago. So it is going to be nice when we're on Pulse Chain, where the fees are going to be pretty much eliminated compared to Ethereum. But I still believe with P-Hex as well as E-Hex, we're going to see momentum on both sides, because Hex on Ethereum is still the GOAT. It's still the original. It's still like the official Hex that came out originally. I think the new P-Hex is going to have plenty of value. I believe Pulse Chain is going to have plenty of value, but do not sleep on your E-Hex as well. Know that people still believe in Ethereum, and with Ethereum 2.0, with the fees minimizing there, we're still going to have momentum on E-Hex. Okay, so I'm not, anyways, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm keeping my E-Hex, I'm keeping my P-Hex, and I'm keeping stakes on both. Okay, that's just me. And if one moves up higher than the other, so be it. Great. We have copies of both. It's a win-win situation, guys. Okay. Comment below your journey as well with Hex, what you guys think we can get to. I personally, when I look at this chart here, I really believe that pretty much in no time, when we go bullish again, I think we're going to get to $1. And then once we get to $1, we're going to keep moving up from there to $2, and then $3 and $4, $5. And I think it's going to quickly move from $1 to $10 very quickly. But, if you look at this momentum here, I think we will go nuts. I think we will go nuts. And, we haven't really gone mainstream yet. There's no major exchanges really adopting Hex. A lot of people in the industry, for some reason, are scared to talk about Hex. BitBoy Crypto isn't talking about Hex, even though he owns some and believes in it. He agreed with he didn't disagree with anything Richard Hart was saying on BitBoy Crypto's channel during their crypto show, right? Where Richard Hart pretty much owned everybody. It was hilarious. So I think once we get past the $1, $2, we're gonna go parabolic, and there really is no limit to what Hex can be worth. So that's why I continue to dollar cost average in. I thought about selling all my Ethereum to get more Hex. I'm not quite there yet, because I really do believe in Ethereum as well. Someone told me I'm not a true Hexy can because I didn't sell my Ethereum bags. Hey, I like to dollar cost average in. I like to diversify, guys. And please don't judge me if I have, you know, my second highest contributions in crypto are in Hex. But guess what, guys? The fork's gonna happen. I'm gonna have double my coins. And what do you think is gonna happen then? It's gonna be number one, right? So, you know, I think I think it's important we just support each other in the Hex community, the Pulse Chain community, and be positive. Not think that everyone's an expert, because not everyone knows everything, right? And we don't know everything. I don't know everything. We don't know what the ERC20 copies are going to be worth on Pulse Chain. We don't know what stable coins are going to be worth on Pulse Chain that get duplicated. We don't know exactly how much Pulse you're going to get for each Ethereum, right? We just don't know a lot of the stuff. So, you know, just like you guys, most of you guys, I sacrificed during the sacrifice phase, and I'm waiting to see what happens. Okay, until then, all I can do on dips is dollar cost average in, or dollar cost average in when gas fees are low. That's all I can do. That's all I'm going to continue to do. And you know, long term, I think we're all going to be laughing. We're all going to be celebrating, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the yacht or whatever vehicle we choose to celebrate as Hexicans. But I think that'd be a fun event. But until then, I'm staying broke and dollar cost averaging in, and just gonna live my life, right, guys, and produce content for you guys on August University. So if you guys are bullish on Hex and what's going on with Pulse Chain, comment down below. Tell me your story as well. I've been enjoying all these stories, your different strategies that you guys are doing, and tell me more about your life. And some of you guys, Hex has changed your life, which is great as well. Tell me what other cryptocurrencies you guys are also following. You know, this is not a Hex only channel. I'm definitely a Hexy can, but I do talk about other projects as well. I'm pretty big into NFTs. I think NFTs do have a future. Are they kind of in a bubble right now? Yes, definitely. There's a lot of overhype about NFTs, but I think NFTs, NFT music, and NFT gaming does have a future. I know Richard Hart's not really big into gaming and things like that, but I think blockchain gaming has a lot of potential. So keep track of my videos, because I'm going to be uploading more videos on cryptocurrency gaming as well. If I can play a game and earn funds doing so, that's a fun thing for me, right? Until then, gonna keep hustling, keep grinding. Hopefully, you guys do the same. Until next time, guys, please hit the like button if you didn't already do so. Subscribe to the channel. I'm doing that giveaway sometime soon as well. So keep an update on that. And also, until next time, stay bullish. Let me know if you're a Hexy can or a Hexy can't down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.